Hi friends, welcome to Wisdom Jobs. My name is Syed Gori and I am a history faculty. Today I am going to deal the factors responsible for the non-cooperation movement and the beginning of Gandhism or Gandhi's participation in the active Indian National Congress politics. Non-cooperation movement. Indians non-cooperation to the Britishers, right? And this movement was led by Mahatma Gandhi. And first thing, let us discuss Rowlatt Act. The first factor responsible for the beginning of non-cooperation movement is Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt was a British officer. Sydney Rowlatt was a British officer, and he created this act. And what the act says, right? Rowlatt against this anarchical Revolutionary Crimes Act, Mahatma Gandhi performed Satyagraha. Rowlatt Satyagraha was in response to the British government enacting the Anarchical and Revolutionary Crimes Act 1919. So the another name of this Rowlatt Act is Anarchical and Revolutionary Crimes Act 1919. Mahatma Gandhi performed Rowlatt Satyagraha, a satyagraha against this act in the year 1919. So this act is also popularly known as Rowlatt Act, because Sydney Rowlatt was an officer created this act, right? Gandhiji called for a countrywide campaign against the Rowlatt Act. Why Mahatma Gandhi called a countrywide campaign against the Rowlatt Act? See, this is an anarchical and revolutionary crimes act without any kind of warrant. This act empowers the British police or British cops without any kind of warrant and without any kind of intimation. British police can arrest anyone in order to suppress the terrorism in India. British can arrest anyone, and the arrested person shall stay in the remand without any kind of trial or any kind of prosecution for 2 years, right? Without trial for 2 years, the culprit or the person who got arrested, he must stay in a remand or in the jail. See, this is popularly came to be known as the Anarchical and Revolutionary Crimes Act, right? Mahatma Gandhi, he started performing a satyagraha against this act in the year 1919, right? This act was passed on the recommendation of Sedition Committee chaired by Sydney Rowlatt. As we discussed earlier, Sydney Rowlatt created this act, and this act had been hurriedly passed in the Imperial Legislative Council despite the united opposition of the Indian members. This act had been hurriedly passed by the Imperial Legislative Council, right? And next, it gave the government, and this is very, very important, it gave the government enormous powers. The government means the land order under the control of the government, right? Enormous powers to repress political activities, allowed detention of political prisoners. It allowed the detention of political prisoners without any kind of warrant and without any kind of trial or prosecution for 2 years. How many years? For 2 years. So this act gave so much powers, enormous powers to the British government to repress political activities and allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. Actually, according to the law, the political prisoner must go before the court within 24 hours of his arrest, and this is called habeas corpus, bandi prataksha. So the political prisoner, after arresting a prisoner, can go and stand before the court within 24 hours, right? So this is called bandi prataksha, but this kind of right was not there in this act, and hence this act came to be known as Anarchical and Revolutionary Crimes Act. This is about Rowlatt Act. Mahatma Gandhi performed a satyagraha against this act, and this act destroyed the rights of the people, the fundamental rights of the people. So that is why Mahatma Gandhi used a weapon called satyagraha, against this Anarchical Revolutionary Crimes Act. So this is about Rowlatt Act, and this is one of the factors responsible for the beginning of non-cooperation movement, right? So thank you friends, thank you for your patience. Could you kindly subscribe our channel before watching this video? Do like, share and comment. Thank you.